Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how we can get unlimited gems in Fishdom in 2023. As you can see, I've already unlimited amount of gems and everything is work. So let's go how it works. To get unlimited gems in Fishdom, you need to install this application for your device. In this tutorial I will teach you how you can download and install. Firstly, after install, we must open it. All you have to do in this application, we must enter our nickname of account where will be added unlimited gems. So I put my nickname, check option unlimited gems and press generate. Now to our account will be added unlimited gems in Fishdom absolutely for free. So we wait to finish this process and this is the last step. Everything is complete. Now my account have unlimited gems absolutely for free and it's working 2023 for Android, also in iOS device. So how to download this application for your device? This website GenMod allowed you to download and install Fishdom mod for your device. So how it works is very easy. Open browser and go to this website. This website allowed you to download Fishdom mod for your device. Select our device, enter our nickname, press button download. The last step is human verification. In my case, it's not required because I already done. In your case, the pop-up human verification you must complete, follow all steps, and after finish everything, finish all steps in this verification, the application, as you can see, will be installed in your device. And after complete all steps in verification, this application will be downloaded and installed in your device, Fishdom mod. Wow, thank you for watching, bye.